miners. Miner number 2. Mini Doge miner, Litecoin and Dogecoin. And our camera system, PoE. That's it right there. And we added a router for separation. So far so good. This is not the finished product. Basically I had to leave coil slack because we're going to mount all those cables on the wall neatly in loops and then run it to my switch. So we're running a GW Security Platinum 7638 I think, but there she goes. Anyway guys, thanks for watching my work. That again, do not judge me on that. That's just because this is the rough work. Now as I'm wrapping up, I'm going to be tidying up and neatening up all the cable management, but that's what we got. That's my project. That's what I worked on for the last 2 weeks. God bless.